The Spanish government authorized the demolition of the walls of the ancient city in 1855. The engineer that crafted the drawings for the city was Ildefonso Cerda. He redefined the dynamics of the city when he drew up the example, or the extension plan. The extension plan was basically conceived by Cerda as an antidote to the extremely high density that kills, which resulted in unhealthy living conditions. When the walls of the city were demolished, the city held competitions to see who will draw up the plans for the city. The council actually preferred one by Antoni Rovira y Tras because of the plan's long radiating streets, but for some odd reason, word from Madrid came that the plans were to be drawn up by a Catalan named Ildefonso Cerda. Cerda drew up the first accurate plans of the city in 1855. He saw a lifestyle of the working class and how unhealthy it was. He saw the cramped space that had led to diseases and high death rates in the city. He also saw that it had led to high crime rates and unsanitary conditions. Cerda knew that he had to make a space that would accommodate all the working class people's needs. Cerda loved straight lines, and his idea was to place two of the example's main avenues along geographic parallel split by roads crossing perpendicularly. His central aim was to overcome social problems by using quadrangular blocks of standard size with strict building controls to ensure that they were built up only two sides to a limited height, leaving a shady square garden area in between. He wanted to create an open space so that each house can have sunlight. Today, there are very few inner gardens remaining, and most of them are occupied by car parks, workshops, and shopping centers. Cerda's plan was innovative because he developed the idea of large apartment structures. Although his idea was seen as a great urban plan, he did not please everyone. People complained that it was too monotonous and that the streets looked identical. Most of his construction has been lost through time, but his idealized plan has influenced many plans today.